So in this video, I want to show you 5 business lessons I learned listening to a Nas song. The song was Sitting With My Thoughts from the 2023's Magic 3 album. Number 1, when he says, the journey from a young boy wilding on tour to a mature individual speaks to embracing a journey with adaptability. Now, in business, staying open to change is crucial and critical to the growth of our business. We hear it all the time. The pandemic killed my business. We got to be adaptive. And now after the pandemic, it didn't come back. We have to be adaptive. Embracing the journey from where you were, in this case for Nas, a young boy wilding on tour, to the mature individual he became, is at the epicenter of how we can stay and embrace the journey through adaptability. Number 2, the value of reflecting and being very strategic with your planning. Now he says he's sitting with his thoughts. He was faced with professional and personal challenges in his life. And one of the key things is because he had a baby when he was young, 19. So when you sit with your thoughts, the lesson here for business is we have to take time to strategize. We have to take times to reinvent our goals for our business, to stay ahead of the challenges, to stay ahead of the competition. It helps us provide clarity, it helps us provide direction, and it ensures that we make decisions better sitting with your thoughts. Now, number 3, this business lesson is about motivation and elevating your vision. Here's what he said. My family was my motivation focused on elevation. That becomes why your vision and your mission becomes clear to you, but it becomes the motivating thing for you. How and why did you create this business? What did you do in that business? What's going to get you up in the morning? What's going to make you push beyond status quo? What's going to make you excel? What's going to make you innovate? If you have something that you can lean on that motivates you, it becomes a thing that gets you to vision, to elevation. Now, number 4 lesson. He talks about being able to stay on task. That's resilience, right? Things are going to happen to you. You're going to have all kinds of setbacks. And he had setbacks in life personally. He had people coming after him. He had people talking to him. He had other rappers that weren't feeling him. All of these kind of things. But he says we take our losses and we keep it moving. We take our losses and we keep it moving. And that's not a full quote. But when you can take your losses, that speaks to the ability to recover from setbacks and learn from your failures and keep it pushing. That's one of the key traits to a successful business for entrepreneurs especially. We have to be able to be resilient in the face of setbacks, and you will face setbacks. 5, here's the 5th lesson, and then I want to add a bonus of 5 products and potential services that you can add as a result. Check this out. Number 5, when he talks about we all eat, think about that. He's not talking from a selfish perspective. He's not saying I eat and y'all are on your own. He's saying this is the importance of a community. This is the importance of giving back, sharing what you know, sharing what you've done, coming on like I'm doing right now and saying this is the lessons that I have pulled from one song, the lessons that I've pulled and how now I'm sharing it with you. That's the importance of community. Give back. Share what you feel. How are you inspired by this thing? I'm inspired by this song in such a way that I decided to break the song apart and look at lessons that I could pull from it and then lessons that I can share from it. And now what I did was I went a little bit further. I says, now, what 5 business products and services, as a result of being inspired like this, could I potentially create from this? Now we'll go into that in some of the upcoming lessons, but that becomes a part of why I want you to jump in Monetize Your Life Academy, because in Monetize Your Life Academy, I am literally showing you how to take things that are happening into your life, inspirations from your life, ideas, information, stuff you're reading, and turn it into income. Hey, I'll see you inside.